Hello. All right, guys, so great job on picking your topic yesterday. Let's take a look now at our next step. So this actually will be for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You will find this same video on each day, but it's going to help us kind of figure out what's next for us, okay? So our objective is I can research articles to answer my research question. Your research question is in already on whatever topic you chose, okay? So my directions today are watch the screencast. Good job. You're doing it, right? Read one article and annotate as you read, all right? So when I look here, I can find my screencast, and then the rest says go to Google Classroom. So I have assigned you a set of articles based on what you picked after I saw your Google form, okay? So I'm going to use this one as an example. This maybe is not yours, but I'm going to use Fortnite as our example, okay? So I see here when I open this up on Google Classroom, my research question, why is Fortnite so popular? My direction says you will read one article every day. The directions at the top of the article will help you understand what you are looking for as you read. The links below will help you get to the correct article. So today I'm only going to read the first article, right? Next day I would read the second one, Wednesday, and then Thursday I would read the third one. So when I click on it, it takes me to here. So article 1 says, Playtime, Fortnite tops the charts as most wanted game among kids. Directions, please read article number 1. As you read, highlight things that explain why Fortnite is so popular. So I'd go through and I would do exactly what it said. So I'll click my highlighter, right? And I'll start. Among young people, no video game is as popular as Fortnite is right now. Just a year ago, hardly anyone had heard of it. Recently, Fortnite only had been available for computers and video game systems. Then last month, an iPhone version of the game was released. Within hours, it was the most popular iPhone game in 13 countries. That's awesome, right? So when I read this, I do see something I can highlight. Remember, I am highlighting what answers my question, right? If you are doing school lunches or if you are doing technology, your question is different. So make sure you read that. And here I'm going to say, well, I know one thing it's so popular is because it's on the iPhone, and almost everybody I know has an iPhone, right? So that's what my goal is. I would go through, I would highlight things that I think are important or answering my question, and just do my first article. All right, so this one's a little bit longer. Boom! It tells me to stop. That's the end of article 1. So for Tuesday, I am done. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Then I would come back on Wednesday. I would do article 2. And then on Thursday, article 3, right? So really simple, really easy. It should take you exactly where you need to go. Just know that you're breaking this up over 3 days. Like we talked about, follow the 20-minute rule. So whatever you have after 20 minutes, just submit and I can take a look at it with you. All right? Please let me know if you have any questions or would like any help with this. And either myself or Miss Longboy or Mrs. S will get right back with you and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks, guys.